I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth. Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by WESTKISS Hair. Shout out to you once again, WESTKISS Hair, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Now this unit, honey, is 26 inches long. Oh child, let me tell you the cap construction. It does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it is a 13x4 lace wig. Okay, now let's get in the fact that this wig is 26 inches long, honey. Woo. Okay, and it's 180% density, and it is a loose deep wave unit. Right here I am tweezing the wig, but I'm gonna get into all of that. I'm gonna get into all the details, the specs, and all that good stuff. You guys know I can ramble, girl, so I will get into all of that in the outro portion of this video. So if you are interested in more details and specs and all that good stuff, then please continue to watch, and I will see you little bugs in the outro. Bye.
To the flow, I've been on the road so long, forgot I had a home. I'm out in Miami, a celebrity galore. I got what I need, but I always want more. Always going out, that's why they call me no north. I'm out in Miami, a celebrity galore. I got what I need, but I always want more. Always going out, that's why they call me no north. Always going out, that's why they call me no north. But you could call me Big Drip. I've been busy out here repping for the misfits. I can't promise I won't blind you with a wrist flip. I keep this money on my mind, it get me rich, yeah. Yeah, hey, yeah. I never had to tell a lie to get a bitch, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Go ahead, jot that thing down to the flow. I've been on the road so long, forgot I had a home. I'm out in Miami, a celebrity galore. I got what I need, but I always want more. Always going out, that's why they call me no north. I'm out in Miami, a celebrity galore. I got what I need, but I always want more. Always going out, that's why they call me no north. Always going out, that's why they call me no north. Yeah, go ahead, run that shit back. Oh, oh. Go ahead, jot that thing down to the flow. I've been on the road so long, forgot I had a home. I'm out in Miami, a celebrity galore. I got what I need, but I always want more. Always going out, that's why they call me no north. But you could call me Norte. In a 911, pull off in a Porsche. I ain't never losing sleep on what these whores say. Just get my good side, make sure that shit 4K, yeah. Baby, I've been serving L's like the weed man. Ain't even signed yet, you could get it freelance. I'm walking in with a bag like I'm in the NBA. Feel like I'm always vacationing like I'm Chevy Chase. Before these shorties come upstairs, I need an NDA. I swear my life getting crazy, gon' bust off any day, yeah. Hey, gon' bust off any day, yeah. Go ahead, jot that thing down to the flow. I've been on the road so long, forgot I had a home. I'm out in Miami, a celebrity galore. I got what I need, but I always want more. Always going out, that's why they call me no north.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by WESTKISS Hair. If you've been watching me for a while, you already know I am a WESTKISS stan. So once again, shout out to you, WESTKISS, for sending me this unit. Okay, so let's get into this unit right quick. This wig is WESTKISS Loose Deep Wave 13x4 lace wig. So it is a 13x4 lace wig. It's 26 inches, honey. It's 26 inches, girl. And it's 180% density. So if you guys know me, you already know, like, I usually don't go past 22 inches. Like, girl, you know, really long hair is just not for your girl as a mom, and I got a whole bunch of other stuff like just going on in my life. But this particular unit is 26 inches. Okay, so I went ahead and went on the site just so I can kind of see like the ranges and what they offer and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and read to you guys what they got on here. It says human hair type, virgin, human hair lace wig, hair texture, loose deep wave lace front wig, hair color, natural black, length. They offer 8 to 30 inches in stock, wigs over 22 inches. The frontal part is 20 inches. Girl, I don't even know what that means. I don't even know what that means. But it says hair can be dyed or bleached to number 27. So it says the hair can go up to the number 27, which to me is like a honey blonde color. Can be restyled, tangle free, shedding free. I don't know if I already I don't know how I'm going to be editing this video if you guys can already see the unit, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys about the prices. So with this unit, if you got 10 inches, if you got 180% density, and the cap size isn't going to change anything, but if you got 180% density and you got 10 inches, it said 8 to 30, but I only see 10 on here, so I'm going to say 10 to 30. It'll be $102 for 10 inches, and if you got the length that I am wearing, which is 26 inches, it'll be $304. So I know you like,
girl, honey, who is gonna pay that amount of money for a unit right now?
I get it, girl. So let's kind of just go into the middle, which would be 20 inches. So I'm gonna say for a 20 inch, I'm gonna say this is what they got on the site, child. For 20 inches, it'll be $218.56. And if you went all the way up to 30 inches, and honestly, the pricing isn't that bad for 30 inches, but it's $375 if you want this unit in 30 inches. So yeah, I just wanted to lay the pricing out there because I got it, honey. They gave me the specs because WESTKISS come through with the specs, honey. They want you guys to know what's good. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the cap construction of this wig. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. Now, honey, it could be 3 combs. You guys know sometimes I mess that up. If it's more than 2 combs, I will mention that, and you guys have already seen it. So I'm thinking that it's 2 combs. Now, I do have a medium cap size on, and I really don't want to because my hair gonna grow back and I'm gonna be want to wear these units, but I really need to tell companies to start sending me small cap sizes right now because I don't have any hair. So my units aren't fitting like they used to. So I had to cut off a lot of the lace. I had to cut off a lot of lace around my ears and stuff just to make sure that the cap will fit me like it needs to. So this wig is definitely big head friendly. So they do offer small, medium, and large. The price doesn't change. I would personally say whatever cap size you think you are, get that because it's gonna fit. It's gonna fit right. So yeah. Now as far as shedding and tangling, I don't think this wig sheds. I could be wrong, but I didn't notice any shedding prior to me tweezing the wig. So I did tweeze it, and I know I did get a lot of shedding after that, but that was because it leaves excess hair in it. So yeah. And as far as tangling, no child. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in so you guys can get into the hairline. So this is what the hairline looks like now. I did tweeze it. I did tweeze a good amount, and I'm gonna show you guys this is how much I tweezed out. So I did tweeze the hairline some. And this is the parting space. I did tweeze the parting space some. I feel like you can tweeze it more to your liking, but that's how much. I mean, I didn't tweeze it a whole lot, but yeah, that's what I got. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it as far as the construction, all that good stuff with this wig. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick length check, and then we will get into my thoughts and everything else that I used or whatever on this wig. So if you're interested, then please continue to watch. So this is all the hair brought to the front on me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". I am not the tallest girl in the world. So hair can be longer or shorter on you depending on your own height, but this is where it comes to me, and this is loose deep wave, where the hair comes to me in the back. That's where the hair comes to me. Like I said, I'm not really a tall person, so yeah, it just depends on your own personal height, so keep that in mind. And yeah, now we can get into my thoughts, my feelings on this unit and all that good stuff. So continue to watch. So honestly, y'all, I really like the hair. I think the hair is really nice. I do have a couple of issues with the unit, and well, not even a couple. I do have one particular unit issue with this unit, and it was the fact that I had to tweeze it. Child, y'all know I'm lazy. Girl, if you watch me, you know I'm lazy. So I wasn't particularly happy about having to tweeze it a whole lot. I am tweezing all of my units these days just to kind of get better at tweezing hairlines and figuring all that out. But I do feel like with this wig, I had to tweeze it more than I normally would. Usually WESTKISS come with all their wigs pretty much pre-plucked, and they always look really nice. Like the hairline always look nice and neat, minimum work. Granted, this unit did come slightly pre-plucked, but I felt like it needed more than what I'm used to. But you know what, girl, it's all good because I did it. I did it and we got where we want to be. So that is my only con with this unit. I literally have no other cons with this wig, just the fact that I'm lazy and I didn't want to tweeze it. So yeah, but like I said, it does come pre-plucked, and you can still kind of get away with not tweezing it because it is pre-plucked. I just felt like it needed to be pre-tweezed more. So you can kind of like gauge, because I wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna insert a clip or whatever to show you guys what it looked like prior to me tweezing it, and you can just kind of go with that and decide like what you want to do and how you feel about that. And yeah, y'all, that's basically all I feel about like the unit. I think the unit is really nice. Now, I did go on Slayed by Jordan, and I also did watch. Okay, so that's Mercedes. I love the name of her channel. To just I went on Slayed by Jordan to kind of see like how to lay my wig. I'm always looking for different ways to lay my wig. Like I just always am. I do the same thing with makeup. To me, I feel like it's always good to just keep learning. So I always like to go on certain channels and just look and see, you know, what's good, like what's good. And Slayed by Jordan showed where you can use hairspray and it kind of melts your lace in more. So I did use hairspray this time, and I also used the elastic band that comes with all of our wigs. All of our wigs have this elastic band. I can't tell you guys how many times I've thrown away that elastic band, and I was like, where are they getting that band from? I would watch people videos and I'm like, where are they getting that from? Child, is in all of our boxes. Okay, so when you get a human hair wig, that elastic band is gonna be in there. So I was like, oh, gotcha. So that's where I got my elastic band, and then I like sprayed the hairspray like he said, and I do feel like it did a little something. Like it made the process not as hard and long as it normally is. I also went ahead and used my Sephora Micro Smooth underneath the cap as well. That is something different than what I normally do. And yeah, so then I went to, okay, so that's Mercedes channel, and tried to get the wet look. Now I don't know if I just didn't do something right, because I didn't have the product that she had. So yeah. I can't say that I don't think I did something right. I know I didn't do something right because I didn't have that particular product. I do plan on picking that product up and giving that a try and see if that makes a difference or not. But I did use Eco Styling Gel, and it still wasn't the kind that she used, and I may just go back and get some of the green. Y'all know I like to use whatever I got in my house before I buy anything else, but I may go and try and get the green and see how that goes for me. And yeah, so I did use her little method on how to get the little wet look. So I would definitely recommend you guys just checking out their channels. I always like the kind of site sources that I get stuff from, because I ain't trying to steal from nobody, girl. She just not. So yeah, I did do that, and yeah, that was pretty much it. So let me know what you guys think. What you think about this unit. Do you think she's a look? This is loose deep wave hair, if you guys didn't catch that, and it's really long. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Okay, so go ahead and let me know down below what you guys think about this unit down below in the comments. If you are interested in this wig, I will have a direct link to it listed down below in the description box for your convenience, as well as any information about the unit. Just check the description box. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not already, follow me on all my social media platforms. I am Disastrous Beauty on both the IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.